Today we drove 252 miles to pick up a Zippo Lighter. Anybody can go to Walmart and pick one up. A little bit later, these guys in YouTube land can help me pick one out. You want to find a bathroom? There's some case knives. Alright, well here we are at the Zippo Case Museum up in Bradford, PA. About a 260 mile drive for us, and anybody can go to Walmart and pick up a lighter. We do things differently, even if it's 4.5 hours away. Wow, that is freaking cool. You see some different older Zippos here. This is our Zippo by Cesar. I don't know who that is, some artist. 18th July 19th, grand opening in the Zippo Case Museum. I think that was the first time I was here. Wow, that is cool as hell. Because, oh man, he talks so. Wow. Oh wow, here's some specialty lighters. Okay, what are we looking at over here? Wow, what is that, the first dollar he ever made?
Yep, at the company.
Oh wow, this is the first dollar he ever made with Zippo. Wow, that is cool. Wow. And this is his first office. There you go. $3.95 when the Zippo was $3.95. And then here, look, you see these Zippo lighters from the 50s? These are kind of cool. She's fishing one. Like she's going down. Kind of cool. Those clothes they used to wear in the 50s, like Grease. It's kind of cool. Oh, Kendall motor oil. That's where my pop-up used to work. How about that? That is freaking cool. Wow, okay, we got the Case Cutlery, Case Knives Wall of Fame here. Different people honored with their own knives. That's really cool. I'd like to have my own knife. There we go. To show you some Case knives from the 1920, from when they first started out. Here you go. This one's made between 1905 and 1920. Case knives, all made in America. Limited series. Alright, all you guys in YouTube land, check this one out. This one's cool. Looks like a little refrigerator. That is cool. What year is that from? It doesn't say. Disney lighters. Wow, look at that. One's kind of cool. Looks like a shark. Oh, I love this old license plate. That is cool.
Ashtray.
I like old plates. The smokeless ashtray. Make the illogical logical. Was it Gremlins?
Yes.
Okay, then we got. Oh, look here, kids giving their parents the lighter for, because I guess everybody smoked back in the 50s and earlier.
Leather.
Fully leather covered lighters from 1950. They're kind of cool. There you go. That'll get you laid if she gives you a Zippo. Definitely. Or a Swiss Army knife. Right here, this soldier got shot. See if you can see this, guys. I got some military Zippos here. I don't know, the light's kind of bad. Maybe we'll try it right there. Yeah, these are some military-specific Zippos. Okay, guys, something interesting about this lighter. G.I. Walter Nadler of Rahway, New Jersey. He landed in Normandy on D-Day. He inscribed his name and the date on the lighter, but then he dropped it in the sand and lost it. And of course, he didn't have time to look for it. His kid asked him later why he didn't look for it. He said he didn't. It was the least of his worries. Later on, it was lost. Nobody knew where it was until 1992. A Zippo employee found it in a desk drawer. Nobody knows how it got there, so they looked for Walter Nadler as part of their 50th anniversary D-Day celebration, and they finally found out that he had unfortunately passed away in 1990 in New Jersey. But nobody knows how the lighter got in the Zippo company desk drawer. That's a pretty neat story. Alright guys, check this out. This is a plaque of a lot of movies that the Zippo was used in. Everything from the movie Buried to Green Card. What's this? Oh, he had one in, wasn't this Kevin Costner? I think that was JFK movie. And of course, the awesome Bruce Willis in Die Hard. Come out to the coast, have a few laughs. Now I know what a TV dinner feels like. There's rock and roll Zippos.
Motley Crue.
What?
Motley Crue.
Where do you see the Motley Crue one at?
Right there.
Oh, no shit. Alright, here we got some rock and roll lighters. Of course, nowadays everybody holds up their cell phone. But, of course, my favorite band is the Motley Crue one. I'll have to get a picture of that. Motley Crue. Leonard Skinner. Oh, here's a bunch of Kiss lighters. Elvis, of course, you have to have Elvis lighters. Oh, here's a Beatles set. Here's Beatles lighters. Rolling Stones. In the 80s, everybody held up the lighters. Now everybody holds up. All you see is cell phones. When I was at the Tenacious D concert, everybody freaking held up cell phones with the lights. There were some lighters, but still, it's not the same thing. It doesn't have the same effect. Wow, here's Eric Clapton lighter. Get that one to spin around here. Wow. Cool as hell. Alright, here we go. These are experimental lighters that were either limited or not made for whatever reason. Aluminum. Lighters and tape measures with copper cases. This one was a pipe lighter, but I don't really know how it's supposed to work. It was never manufactured. I don't really know how it's supposed to work. They considered adding an extra case to increase fuel capacity. Only 3 of these lighters are known to exist. I won't want that thing in my pocket. It's too big. This rare Zippo prototype has 2 flint wheels, one on each side. This one was designed to light when the lid was opened. And here, this is a little smaller one here, a little bit slimmer.
Nothing else makes that sound.
And then
Nothing else is built like a Zippo Lighter.
over here, a couple pictures on how they make them.
It's built in a place with its own unique rhythm, right here in Bradford.
I'll go down the line here of all the parts.
There are 22 parts in the Zippo Lighter. They come together here in our factory. A combination of high-tech machines.
Well, there you have it. That is the Zippo Case Museum, and this is the, oops, hold it upside down. Can't have that. This is the Zippo I bought, so I have a new Zippo. It's got nothing on it, but I'm okay with that. So, oh, I also bought, where's my pin? There we go. I just thought that was cool, so I bought that postcard. It was really cool. So, there you have it. Like my Facebook page. My wife always laughs at me when I do this. Follow me on Twitter. I got Google+. It's all listed down below. Read my new book. That's listed down there below too on Amazon.com. Have a good day. Oh, he's going on YouTube.